We're here today installing an AC coupled battery system for a customer who already's got solar. A lot of people ask, can I add battery to my existing system? And the answer is yes, and that's exactly what we're here doing right now. By the end of the day, the home will have whole home backup, full power even if the grid goes down, and I'll show you exactly how it all works. This customer already had 6 kilowatts of solar PV installed quite a few years ago. Instead of replacing this inverter, we're installing a completely separate AC coupled battery system. It connects to the AC side, so it works alongside this existing setup. We just fit a separate inverter that manages the batteries and the communication with the rest of this system. During the day, the panels will power the home first and then top up the batteries with any excess solar. At night, or when the weather's poor, the house runs from the stored energy instead of importing it from the grid. And because this setup has a whole home backup unit, if the grid drops out, the system automatically swaps over, and then the customer still has lights, heating and sockets live. The other key point to this system is we're going to swap them over to Octopus Flux, so from 2 AM in the morning till 5 AM in the morning they will get cheap electricity. They will then charge these batteries up from the grid on cheap electricity, and then when they wake up in the morning they've got a full battery, so then they're not buying peak rate electricity. And in the event of a power cut, the battery would then be full, so that then they would still have electricity because the battery would have been charged up overnight from the grid, and then what will happen is any surplus energy will still then just re-top up the battery. The great thing is it doesn't affect their feed-in tariff at all. They keep getting paid for the same export energy, the battery just gives them more control over when they use it. So they're saving money, using more of their own power and protected if there's a power cut, all without touching their existing system. If you've already got solar and you're thinking of adding battery later, this is how it's done. AC coupled is flexible, cost effective and keeps your fit payments untouched. I'm Lewis from Renewables, showing you exactly what happens behind the scenes on real installations. Follow along for more projects like this one. Click that subscribe button.